Hey everyone, how you doing? Welcome back. My name is Mo from Recipes and Mo. I appreciate you guys coming back. A lot of you have been watching, supporting. Keep those comments coming. Tell me what I need to do better, what I'm doing good, and what I need to stop doing. Stop doing. No more. All of that good stuff. Christmas Eve. We're recording a lot today because I'm making an appetizer to take to this Christmas Eve party that we got invited to, or dinner. Christmas Day is a tradition. We spend it in our home since we got married 2 years ago. And so I'm making something for that tomorrow. And then, so it's a lot of cooking. The kitchen is a mess. We cracked everything, just see my face. And we got a surprise. That's why the Santa hat. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, go to Instagram, Recipes and Mo, and you're gonna see the video get posted tomorrow on YouTube, on Instagram. Today we're throwing a lot of things, and on the story for hinting. We're having a lot of fun. We're really enjoying this, and I hope you guys having a lot of fun as well with your families. So I'm gonna show you in this first video we're recording is the appetizer I'm gonna take tonight, which is Moroccan eggplant appetizer. It's like baba ganoush. A lot of you know that name. None of you knows the Moroccan name. It's called zalouk, but it's like baba ganoush. We just cook it differently. Same concept. It's a dip. It's an eggplant dip that we eat with bread before the entree, before the main meal. The only difference is, you know, if you've been watching me a little bit, you can see where the Moroccan food is going, Mediterranean style. Olive oil, garlic. Olive oil, garlic. And we use a lot of paprika, cumin, and things of like that. So this is actually one of my favorites. I make it a lot. Very easy to make, takes 10 minutes. So let's go on. I'll show you how to make the zalouk. So for zalouk, what you're gonna need, one eggplant. You're gonna cut it, quarter it, and you're gonna boil it. Set it on the side. For one eggplant, I use 3 tomatoes and 1 or 2 spoons of tomato paste, 5 cloves of garlic. It's funny because I always say 5 cloves of garlic. I love garlic, and 5 is my favorite number. So I always will go with, if you get lost or I forget, 5, always 5 cloves of garlic. Who cares? If you love garlic, throw in 10 cloves of garlic. So olive oil, a small teaspoon of paprika, cumin, ginger, salt and pepper, and then cilantro. That's it. Very easy. Okay. For zalouk, 1 eggplant. Let me show you. After you quarter it and you boil it, you strain it. I have 3 eggplants here because it's an appetizer for a dinner party, but I usually only use 1 for the wife and I. So this is it after I boil it. This is how I do the tomatoes. You can quarter it. You can do anything because all we need is we're going to make a sauce with it. But that's how I do to the tomatoes. Faster way. Cilantro, chopped. 5 cloves of garlic, chopped. Tomato paste. I use about a spoon or 2. And I haven't introduced you to this yet. My spice rack. So this was a gift from an Indian friend. They have this in India. I just love the colors, but this is mainly what I use. So we're going to use paprika, cumin, and ginger for this recipe. And then, of course, olive oil, 2-3 spoons of olive oil, and salt. Very easy, little ingredients. Let me turn this thing on. Not too hot. Okay. Goes the garlic. Already smells. So what I do, put the tomato rounds like this. Right? There goes my spice. Ginger, cumin, white pepper, salt, and the cilantro, making the sauce. Turn them around. Ooh, olive oil, garlic. Smells good. Saute this for a little bit. So I'm gonna add my 1 eggplant. And then we're gonna mix it well. And we're gonna let it cook. Don't add any water. The eggplants have a lot of water. And basically, you let it cook until it reduces. And then you're done. I'll show you when it gets reduced why we call it zaluk. Because we bring a fork and we mix it super well. It becomes all like a dip. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so when tomato gets a little bit softer, this is what we start doing. So we make that dip. Take a big fork and you just basically mix everything, and then, see? And then you let it reduce until there's no more water before you serve it. That's zaluk, the Moroccan equivalent of baba ganoush. It smells so good. Big fork, keep mushing it all together. See how it looks? It's almost out of water, which we actually want no water in there. This is where I'm gonna add my 1 spoon or 2 of tomato paste. So I'm adding 1 spoon here, and you just gotta mix it up with your tomato paste. At this moment, I usually always try it. Make sure the salt and the pepper is good too. See how it gives you more color? It's gonna give you more taste too, the tomato paste. And that's it. There we go. Looks perfect. See? Almost done. Reduce about a few minutes. And then we can serve it.